Welcome to Baghdad Ishik Schools, a place where learning meets innovation, where students grow and where every day is a new adventure. Today, we are showing you what interactive classrooms at Baghdad Ishik Schools looks like. Get ready to experience it with us.
In our interactive classrooms, learning is so much fun. We use smartboards to solve math problems and even simulate science experiments. It feels more like playing a game than a traditional class.
Technology in the classroom allows me to present lessons the way that's engaging for everyone, whether it's math, science, or English. Interactive tools help bring to life, making complex concepts easier to grasp.
I love how we get to work in our interactive classes. We use our group work to collaborate on projects, share ideas instantly, and get feedback from our teacher in real time. It's a great way to learn from each other.
Our interactive classrooms aren't just about using technology. They are about changing the way we teach. They encourage a more hands-on approach where students are not just passive learners, but active participants. This environment fosters a deeper understanding and more personalized learning experience.
As you can see, our interactive classrooms at Baghdad Ishik Schools are more than just space. They're dynamic learning experience designed to prepare our students for the future.